Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be getting into just how much I'm making in dividends as of April 30th, 2021. And it is updated from the previous videos that I made about this. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But if you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe for me, that would be really awesome. Lets YouTube know that this is an awesome channel to watch, as well as helps grow the community. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the screen recording. So as you can see, my first dividend allocation goes to my M1 Finance Roth IRA, and as you can see, we're making about $101.83 from this Roth IRA, which is about 28 cents daily, so just over a quarter daily in this Roth IRA. Now, the reason that the dividend distribution or payout is so low for the annual contribution is because we only have about $7,000 or $8,000 in this Roth IRA, and it's all allocated to VTI. Now, it might be a low dividend payout, but the great thing about this is that since I've had the position, I think I've made about $1,900 on the position just through the growth, the market gains. Now, of course, you can lose that pretty simply, or harder than it would be for you to lose the dividends, but I think it's pretty awesome. So moving on, we're going to go ahead and talk about my next Roth IRA, which is my Vanguard Roth IRA. And as you can see, it's a dramatic difference from my M1 Finance Roth IRA. And that's because we have individual stocks in this Roth IRA. As you can see, Attn, we have 158 shares right now, which comes out to about $320.97 in dividend payouts for the year. Then we have AbbVie, which is our newest position in the Roth IRA, and that makes up a payout of about $132.31. We also have Vanguard Index Fund, which is VT-SAX. This is an index fund that is high performing. It really is allocated to the S&P 500 and making sure that it kind of mimics that. So we have about $4,385 in there for that, and it's paying out about $56.31 on 41 shares. So it's not very high, but it's a good payout for what it is. And it does give us that growth. So it's kind of like the VTI ETF that I have in my M1 Finance account, where it's a lot of market growth, but a little dividend payout. And then our last position is TELUS Communications. We have 2 shares, and the reason we have 2 shares is just because that was the leftover money that was in the Roth IRA, and we just didn't want to leave that money just hanging around when it could be, making us money. So we're getting paid about $2.36 for the 2 shares that we have for the TELUS Communications. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and talk about our Weevil Portfolio, and once it loads up, I'll let you know. So our Weevil Portfolio is paying out about $308.95 annually, which is about 85 cents daily, or $25 to $26 a month. We do have Bank of Nova Scotia 20 shares, which is paying out $70.34. We also have One Oak, which we just added 5 shares to our One Oak position, bringing our payout to $36.02. Simon Property Group, we have 5 shares still, paying out $26. We have Walgreens Boots Alliance, which is paying out $18.44 for the 10 shares that we have. We have International Business, which we just bought this, so it's fantastic. It's going to pay out $12.57. We also bought more shares of TELUS, so we're up to $11.79. We bought another share of Clorox, so we're now up to $8.64. Apple is still paying out $8.20 for the 10 shares that we have. Coca-Cola is paying out $8.11. And I think that's the last position that we added to the portfolio. So as you can see, that's the rest of the allocated money, but it's too small, or I only have one share, so I didn't want to go through it because I don't want to make the video too long. But with that said, let's go into our last portfolio, and this is our Robinhood / Fidelity portfolio, because this was originally a Robinhood portfolio that we transferred over to Fidelity. And so as you can see, we have 50 shares of Attn. That's paying out about $101.57. Broadcom, 2 shares, is paying out $26.49. We have Simon Property Group, which is paying out $26 as well, because we have 5 shares in this portfolio. We have Verizon Communications, which we just added to this position. So it's paying out $24.47. Lockheed Martin, $19.80. Apple's, we have 20 shares here, so it's paying out $16.40. Coca-Cola is paying out $16.22, as we just added a couple more shares to the position today. BlackRock, we only have 1 share, but it's paying out $14.75. We have OKE, or One Oak, which is paying out $14.41. We'd love to get this to 10 shares. And then we have PepsiCo, which is, we just bought another share of PepsiCo today, so now we're getting paid $12.15. Bank of Nova Scotia, we have 3 shares here, paying out $10.55. We have Southern Co., which is paying out $10.24 for 4 shares. Caterpillar is paying out $8.22 for 2 shares. Public Storage is paying out $7.94 for the 1 share we have. Home Depot is paying out $6.07, while 3M is paying out $5.76. We'd love to get more 3M in the near future. And then we have Vanguard. This is VOO. So VOO is paying out $5.32. McDonald's is paying out $5.05. Waste Management is paying out $4.41. And the rest, like I said, is just 1 share, so we won't go through that too much. But we do have Anheuser-Busch, which is paying out $1.77 for 2 shares. So with that said, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be putting right here the total for the whole portfolio and the Roth IRAs all together, so you can see the entire total and see how much I'm actually making. I know it's over $1,300, so that's absolutely phenomenal. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would take a moment to go ahead and smash that like button for me and hit the subscribe, that would be really awesome, as it shows YouTube this is an awesome channel to go ahead and watch. But with that said, thank you so much. Have a great day, and God bless.